Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm ready to show you how to use Excel in the quickest and easiest way possible. I'll guide you through two different ways to adjust the width of a column in a spreadsheet. The first method is to position the cursor over the right-hand border of the column and left-click and drag the arrow to adjust the width as needed. A box will appear that will show the current column width in figures. The second method is to click on the column and right-click to choose the option Column Width. Enter the value for the width, for example 50, and press OK. This way, you can adjust the width of multiple columns at once. To learn more about working with columns in Excel, watch our video tutorials. Check out the links in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to join us at Sheet Leveler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.